In this video, we will show a step-by-step guide on how to register as a broker in PayBito's crypto broker platform.
Open PayBito.com. Now, go to Partners. Select Brokers. Scroll down the page and click on Start your free trial now. Add your first name and last name, click on the blue arrow. Select if you are an individual or company, add the name of your exchange or company. Click on the blue arrow. Select your country. Add your mobile number. Click on Enter. Add your mail ID. Click on the checkbox. You will now receive an OTP in your mail ID. Copy and paste the OTP. Click on Submit. You will receive your admin access credentials in your email. Open Mail and click on Go to Admin Panel. You will land on the institutional admin page.
Enter username and password. Click on the Login button. Click on Get OTP. You will now receive an OTP to your registered email address. Copy and paste the OTP and click on the Save button. Click on I am excited to proceed. Here you will see broker setting page. Fill all the necessary details. Choose your desktop application logo and icon. Enter social media links. Then hit the Submit button. Click on I agree. Here you have the option to download the broker app for your Windows as well as Mac. For full overview of the admin panel, please watch second part of this video. Stay tuned.